Innovative pop-up tent. The GigaTent 6-foot instant privacy tent offers you instant private space for camping, bathroom and potty use, outdoor showers, changing clothes, for use as soft rain shelter and more. And without any hassles of tedious installation, a must-have travel accessory for your next adventure. Instant installation. Designed for utmost convenience, our instant pop-up tents can be set up instantly and are equally easy to fold back into included carry bag. Set these up effortlessly at the park, poolside, beach, or forest. Heavy-duty material. Pop-up pod from GigaTent is very easy to use. Made with high-quality polyester taffeta 190T water-resistant coating. Includes a flexible steel frame for premium durability. This tent is designed to withstand the elements, plus engineered with long-lasting repeat use in mind. Set includes 4 stakes that should be used to secure stability. Portable with carry bag, pops up and folds down in seconds, no assembly required. Ultra-lightweight construction allows for easy transportation with included carrying bag. Weighing just 3 pounds, it can be folded into a compact size of 20 liters by 20 watts x2h. Top reviews from the United States. Got the job done. I used this tent this weekend for Coachella just as a changing tent. Popping it up and staking it down was simple. It was pretty windy and the tent didn't blow away or collapse or rip. Yes, the material is rather sheer, not see-through per se, so you can see the shadow of whoever is inside. So I wouldn't say this is completely a privacy tent, especially for those looking for something for their children. I didn't mind the tent being sheer since I was going to be half naked all weekend anyway, but it was nice to not have to change in front of my surrounding camp neighbors. I'm 5'2" and I was comfortable changing. My hands did hit the top when I was pulling something over my head, so I'd assume if you're any taller, the tent is 5'9", then you may not be as comfortable. The tent doesn't have a bottom, which makes sense since this is also supposed to be used as a shower tent, so you will have to use the stakes or put sandbags in the pockets at the bottom to hold it down. I am bummed that the tent doesn't have actual pockets sewn onto the sides to hold small things. The pockets at the bottom are for sandbags to hold the tent down for those who didn't read the description or see the description photos. Breakdown should have been more simple, but we were in a bit of a rush to pack up and leave. But from the video and the product information, it looks easy enough with a little practice. Overall, this got the job done for the weekend and will be good for the next adventure.